Hope all friends are very well. I started the discussion with the central tendency and complete arithmetic mean and geometric mean. We know three types of mean: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and last harmonic mean. Now I will discuss harmonic mean. A second in frequently encountered mean is known as the harmonic mean. It is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the measures. Harmonic mean is advantageous when it is necessary to give greater weight to smaller observations and less weight to larger. Okay. Harmonic mean is useful when data are given in the terms of time, rate, speed, and price. And the expression is for single dataset or single data series. Harmonic mean equal to n by summation 1 by x. N by summation 1 by x. N equal to total number of observation and x equal to observation value. We know arithmetic mean equal to summation x by summation n, and harmonic mean equal to n by summation 1 by x. And group data series, harmonic mean equal to summation f by summation f by x. We know x equal to class mark of class or mid value of class boundary, and f equal to frequency of class. I discussed single data series and group data series in my previous video. Now start the calculation of single data series. Data in this data series, we see observations are 97, 100, 95, 85, 115, 112, 102, 106, 87 and 101. And harmonic mean equal to n by 1 by x, summation 1 by x. But for the purpose of easy calculation, the steps are divided into three parts. Harmonic mean, 1 by harmonic mean equal to summation 1 by x by n. And second step, harmonic mean equal to reciprocal value of 1 by harmonic mean. Okay. In first step, we find out the reciprocal value of each measures and add. First, find out reciprocal value of each measure, and I use calculator for this purpose. Okay, total value is 0.1008576, and next part, total number by number of observation. We know n equal to 10 because 97 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In our data series, number of observations is 10 and total value is 0.1008576 and n equal to 10 and 1 by harmonic mean equal to 0.01008576. Okay. Next, harmonic mean equal to 1 by harmonic mean. Harmonic mean equal to reciprocal value of 1 by harmonic mean. 1 by harmonic mean equal to 1 by value of 1 by harmonic mean equal to 0.1008576. Okay, harmonic mean equal to 99.149 centimeter because our data series rainfall data series. Next, I hope clear the concept of calculation and calculation step of single data series harmonic mean. And now group data series. Our data, our question is, here we see two column. One column is class boundary and then frequency. Okay. And start the calculation. Here the most important part of f by x. F by x. And formula of group data series, we know summation f by summation f by x. Okay. So this column is most important part of group data series. First time class boundary, next we calculate class marks. We know class marks is equal to mid value of class boundary at first column, sorry, at first row 100.5 lower limit of class boundary and 200.5 upper limit of class boundary and by 2 equal to 150.5. Okay. Next we calculate f by x. Here I use Excel calculation of f by x. Summation of x by f by x equal to 3.30056,544 summation and summation of f equal to 125. And formula is summation f by summation f by x. Okay. Harmonic mean equal to summation f by summation f by x. Summation f equal to 125 and summation f by x equal to 0.300565 equal to 415.883 persons per square km, because it is population density data series. And most important part of mean calculation, relation of three type of mean: arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is greater equal to geometric mean and geometric mean is greater equal to harmonic mean. In a set of observation, if the calculation is perfect, we see this type of relationships among three type of mean. Okay. I ended here today, and we will meet next video through discussion of median. Be careful, stay well. Thank you.